Hey everyone, today I'm modeling a quick low poly mushroom for a well done building in my upcoming Steam game. As you can already see on my recent files here in Blender, I've already created a couple of mushroom models, but I thought I'll give it one last try. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's my reference. As you can see, it's just a small drawing that I created in Paint. Let's I'm gonna move it to my other screen and start building it. So okay, so this is not gonna be me brainstorming it because I've already built a couple of models. This is just gonna be me trying to refine the model and see if I could make it look better. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I think the mushroom top looks good. I like it the way it is. I'm gonna try to curve the mushroom stem like here in this picture. Let's see how it goes. kind of the same, but oh look, I think that looks good enough. Perhaps maybe good. It's good enough. So now I'm gonna paint them, but first I'm gonna have to select all of these faces. So okay, that's it. That's the whole mushroom top. Then we are gonna go to materials and create a new slot. Material slot design. Now for the stem, we're gonna do the same. Let's turn on. Okay. Okay, sure what it's not been selected, but sometimes just allows to mess everything up. Okay, now okay, let's just turn it off. Okay, oh shite. Well, as you can see, I'm not the most advanced in the user. Okay, now I'm gonna create a new material slot. This mushroom stem. Now let's go to shading. So like this, or others like go create new material. Mushroom top. I don't get any weird ideas, please. Okay. So dumb. A little bit more cartoony would be good. A roughness of perhaps 0.8 maybe. Yeah, good enough. The color could be a little bit more pink. Yeah, that right there. Let's go. Oh, let's go to photo and material mushroom stem. For this, I think some sort of wait. It's not working. Okay, I guess I somewhere. Let's go back. Select all these faces. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's working now. Now I should change the color. A little less brownish, perhaps. Yeah, that looks good enough. Maybe a little bit. Maybe if we increase the roughness a little bit more. Too much. And I think that looks better. Yeah, I think 0.85 looks good enough. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Have a great day.